Hi, welcome back to my channel CodeBlack. Today we're going to be going over a Huffman encoding problem in algorithms. Alright, so what is Huffman encoding? Huffman encoding is a greedy algorithm used for lossless data compression. It assigns binary code to characters based on their frequency. So our first step is to build a min heap sort. We're going to insert all characters into a minimum priority queue where the lowest frequency has the highest priority. Now we're going to dequeue F and C from the priority queue, combine them to make a new node, and put it back into the priority queue. Now we're going to dequeue A and E from the priority queue, combine them, create a new tree because it cannot be combined with F and C, and then put it back into the priority queue. Now we're going to dequeue B and FC. We don't have to create another tree because FC is already in a tree, so we just combine to create a new node and then put it back into the minimum priority queue. Now we're going to dequeue G and D, create a new tree, combine to create a new node, and put it back into the minimum priority queue. Now we're going to dequeue AE and FCB. There are already two existing trees, so we're going to combine, create a new node, and put it back into the priority queue. Now we're going to combine the last two nodes in the priority queue, create a new node, and then we're going to stop because the priority queue is at 1 and we cannot extract two nodes at once anymore. Now the Huffman tree is complete. We're going to be adding zeros and ones to the tree splits to get the binary encoding for each character. In this case, A would be 0, 1, 0. B would be 0, 0, 1. C would be 0, 0, 0, 1. D would be 1, 1. E would be 0, 1, 1. F would be 0, 0, 0, 0. And then G would finally be 1, 0. So the Huffman coding is complete. I'm going to pull up the algorithm right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more coding videos.
I can't stop this feeling. I can't stop this feeling.
Hey,
Won't stop this
yeah,
feeling.
look.
Feeling.